Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Karud di Talanto. On this episode, I go straight into how you deal with cleaning bird droppings on your car. The scenario goes like this: you've washed your car, you've had someone come in and wash your car, you've taken it to a detailer, or you're just leaving a car wash. You're on your way to the mall, or you park your car, you come back out and you see there's on this freshly cleaned car, there's a bird dropping or a few on your car. Now not necessarily, my apologies, your car isn't actually dirty, it's freshly cleaned, and you don't need to actually go and do a full contact wash to get rid of it. What I show in this video is how you use a specific product and a microfiber cloths along with that product to remove the contamination off your car safely without scratching it, and actually keeping so what we will make use of is called an instant detailer, leaving it in your boot. So if you do come across this, because it will happen over and over, you then just, you've got the product in your boot, you go out, you spray it and you remove it. So in the video I show with my Captiva, the bonnet was completely messed with bird droppings. I have no idea what happened there, but I show you how you deal with it quickly, efficiently, and you're on your way again. So as I said before, we make use of what's called an instant detailer. So I made use of the Shield Showroom instant detailer. So this has got polymers in there that actually lift and suspend, encapsulate the dirt, and allows, when you use your microfiber cloth as you come across, to safely lift it up from the panel and then remove it. So I'll actually show you now with the next view the various types of instant detailers that I have, but there are plenty on the market. So you guys are spoiled for choice. But like I said, I made use of the Shield Showroom instant detailer. One nice thing about it is it works very well, but it's also got a nice vanilla coconut smell. And this is readily available. So I will put some links as to where some of the retail outlets you can get this, but it's not exclusive to them, it's readily available. So I just want to show you guys what this looks like, or the various ranges that you might get in your normal retail outlet. As you guys can see over here is the Shield Showroom instant detailer. Then this is the Shield Professional SP7 instant detailer. Next to it is the Meguiar's quick detailer, and then we have what's called the DNA rinseless wash. If I can just show you guys over here, you guys can see the dilution ratio. So we're going to be making use of the second one, which it says dilute 100 ml of this is a 1 liter, 100 ml with 5 liters of water to make a super slick clay loop. And so that the clay loop actually is just another word for an instant detailer. As you can see, I've already made one over here, and this really, it represents extremely good value, because as I said, this is a 1 liter, so you're going to make 5 liters off 100 ml. If I can just add, if you guys do make use of a product like that or something similar, which is industry leader, which is ONR, please make use of purified or distilled water. Normal tap water, unfortunately, the minerals and the deposits in there will break down the polymers in a product like that. So you don't want to have, when you come a month later, that the actual product is no longer working as it should be. So make use of purified or distilled water, and along with that you're going to make use of microfiber cloths. This is the Shield microfiber 10 pack. Once again, very available across almost all retail platforms, Pick and Pay, Checkers, Game, Macro, Westpac, Crazy Plastics, your Jumbo Cash and Carries, all these various types of retail outlets. And you can never have enough of this. So as you see in the video, when I'm busy cleaning, I use one microfiber cloth to do the one half of the car, and another half I use another microfiber cloth. So those are the products that I make use of, and as I said before, I explain everything in the video. So yeah guys, enjoy. Please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And if you have any comments, please comment in the comment section below. Once again, thank you and enjoy the video.